Hello kids! Welcome to Simple Color Studio. Today we will trace alphabets. A. A is for apple. B. B is for book. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for gun. H. H is for house. I is for ice cream. K for jug. K for kite. L for lamp. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for potato. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tap. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. All the alphabets are looking so lovely. See you on the next video.